Hello, this video is intended to show you how to embed a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet into a Word document so that you will still have full access to make changes or view or readjust the Excel spreadsheet. And it actually embeds if you use this process as an active document. So the first thing you want to do is bring up your Word document. And I just have a nonsense document here. Don't try to read it. It doesn't mean anything. And then place your cursor at the point where you want to embed your spreadsheet. Then go into the spreadsheet and make sure that it's ready to go. Like you see right here, I got one little formatting issue. So I'll make sure that's formatted as a percentage. But make sure your document's pretty much ready to go. You can make changes once you embed it, but it's easier to make them while they're still in the Excel spreadsheet. Then one other thing that I always like to do when I embed a spreadsheet is it'll embed it exactly as the way it appears on this screen now. So I usually go into View and turn off the grid lines, and it just makes it look a little nicer once you embed it into the document. The next thing you want to do is highlight the section that you want to embed, and make sure you highlight only that section you want to embed, and then copy it. The way I do it, I know there's a number of ways to copy a highlighted section, but I'm a right clicker, so I like to right click and copy, and you can use whatever method works for you or whatever you're most used to. Go back into your document. You have your cursor already lined up where you want to embed the spreadsheet. Go into the down arrow on paste. Don't paste here, but go to the down arrow and go to paste special. And now here's the key. You want to paste it as a Microsoft 2003 worksheet object, or if you have Microsoft 2013 or whatever version you're using, it'll show up as the Microsoft Excel worksheet object. Don't click anything else, just a regular paste. Say OK. The document will come in. If you click somewhere in the center, you can resize the document. But I usually try to size it so that it meets up with the margins of my paper. And then you'll see that your document is nicely formatted in your spreadsheet, I should say, is nicely formatted inside your document. Now here's what's nice about it. I can double click inside that spreadsheet now, and it takes me back to Excel. And you can see that it's an active sheet. I can see your formulas. I can see exactly what you've done in here. And if it's even linked with another tab or another spreadsheet on a tab, I can go in and look and see where you've linked that onto your other tab. If you find a mistake and you don't want to go back into Excel, you can actually make changes right in here as well. So for instance, let's say the dates were wrong. It was actually 89 to 90. We can make that change right there. Although that's not the case, so we'll escape out of that. Make sure that you still have the same image up if you make changes. The same area is selected. Click outside the margins, and it's embedded back in. Save it as a regular Word document, and then send the Word document to Turnitin. Do not convert it to a PDF. Save it as a Word document, and that's what you should send to Turnitin. I hope this has helped, and if you have any questions, let me know.